Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open apps in pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. We have two options. The first one is by going to the background apps, and then you want to tap on the icon at the top of the app, and then over here go to open in pop-up view. And there we go. Now we have the app in the pop-up view. We can resize it, and that's pretty much it. Now another option that we can do is by enabling the gesture. So we can go to settings, and then in the settings, let me actually go back to show you how to get access. We need to go to advanced features, and then over here go to multi-window, and over here choose swipe for pop-up view. Over here you can see the instructions how to use the gesture. You can turn it on over here. You can also see that you can adjust this option here. And we need to swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen. So if we swipe from here to the middle, then you can see we have the preview how it looks like, and that's how we can open the pop-up view. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.